What's up, YouTube? Excuse me. What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial advisor. Welcome to my channel. Alright, so today is Thursday, June 9th. Nice, 6-9. June 9th, Thursday, June 9th, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. Alright, so today we're doing the show from Ramenistan. Yep, today was very, very nasty day. Disgusting day. I mean, it was pretty bad all day, but then towards power hour here, we had a sell-off. A sell-off to the sell-off. So, yeah, I'm looking at the numbers now. This is pretty bad. Everything finishes about like 2%. All the major indexes down over 2%. This is really, really bad. Wow. What up, Zach? What's up? Well, go hope for a last-minute counter rally, but oh well. Yeah. Last-minute dump. Last-minute sell-off to the sell-off. So, ended the worst way possible. Let me look at SPY here real quick. But yeah, probably, people fearing about tomorrow. The CPI report coming out tomorrow. That's probably the biggest factor. Wow, I'm looking at SPY right now. Yes, it was like up and down, and then after 1 o'clock, it's just a major sell-off. So yeah, we're back at 403 SPY. And what's up, Austin? What's up? Did you pick up any SPY puts? No, I don't really like buying options. Personally, I'd rather sell options, but I don't really mess with options much too more, except for covered calls. But no, I didn't. Would have printed, though. If I did. Did you? I think you went long, right? You, like, sold your puts, and then you bought calls, and then I don't know what you did with the calls, but, yeah, what's up with you, Austin? Did you pick up puts? Hope you did. But thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. Alright, so yeah, nasty day today. All around. Terrible day in the market. Crypto didn't do that well. Last time I checked, Bitcoin went under 30K. I think it's at 29 something now. So, watch it actually break to the downside this time. Wouldn't be surprised. I've been on puts low. I thought you sold them and you bought calls. But alright, dude, glad to hear. Congrats to you. You must have printed some fat tinnies today. Okay. So yeah, terrible day in the market, but regardless, got a great show for you guys today. Honestly, don't have too much to go over. This should be a pretty short show unless you guys come in and chat, but it looks like it's going a little slow here today. People coming in, that's alright. Maybe we'll get more people later. But yeah, as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. Got 3 articles for you guys today, 3 minor articles. One about Do Kwon. The drama continues. It's not even about Terra, but the Do Kwon legal troubles continue. Got an update on that. And then we got some minor articles about what to expect from the CPI report coming out tomorrow. The consumer price index, and then we'll talk about rising gas prices and a possible recession. So there wasn't too much news today. I picked out the most relevant news, but honestly, not much going on today. And then today for the analysis, we're just going to do IMPP, Imperial Petroleum, which we did yesterday, but that's still pumping. So we'll do that. Not too many stocks had too much price action. None of the retail favorites, at least. I guess AMC's an honorable mention, but that only went down like 6% or something, 5 or 6%. So the only stock with some real price action and mentions on StockTwits, really only one is IMPP. There was some other stuff too. There was like AERC and forget actually. Let me look, but nothing really had too many mentions. The stuff that did go up. Let's see here. Well, now I don't want to load. What up, Healthy Morty? What up, Punk Skater?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate you guys as always. Bitcoin and Tesla are the only things telling me that tomorrow will be super green. Didn't Tesla stay up today? But Bitcoin's going down. Hey, I hope tomorrow is super green. But who knows? You know, even if CPI is bullish, it can tank. Even if it's bad, it can moon. That's the way this market is going. Can't have any real expectations. Oh, Tesla did go down today. It was up last time I checked, but it did finish in the red. But all things considered, you know, tech went down a lot, so really not too bad of a day for Tesla. But Bitcoin went down. Down 7% on my investing today. Damn, dude. Sorry to hear that. It's pretty rough, but keep your head up. You make it back, dude. And thanks for joining me. Both didn't sell off. Yeah, they were holding up pretty well. They finished in the red here, but yeah, didn't go absolutely go like everything else. So I guess that's bullish. DocuSign Tank City. What's up with DocuSign? I mean, it did go down today, but I thought it went like BitConnect again. Before it did. Wasn't Kathy Wood in DocuSign? She got wrecked. So it keeps going down, but nothing too crazy happening here. Kind of looks like Netflix, to be honest, the chart, now that I'm looking at it. Alright, so yeah. Oh, Redbox was still number 2 after SPY. Talked about it yesterday, but that's pulling back. That's down 5%. So honorable mention, Redbox. AMC honorable mention, 5.33%. Huh, IMPP pulled back. Interesting. IMPP pulled back. So, literally, like half hour before the show, it was up 10%. And now I'm looking at it, and it's only up a little over 5%. So, that kind of sucks. So, I guess we'll still discuss it. But, that kind of ruined the, didn't ruin the show. But that's a lot less exciting now. So yeah, Alibaba went down 8%, but that's only at 2.5k mentions, and Novavax is at minus 17%, but that's only at 2k mentions. And I told you guys that would happen to Novavax, right? I was like, this isn't gonna end well, and of course it pulls back a lot more than it was before. So FDA approval, everyone's like, yeah. Where's the meme for that? Where's my Peter Tuchman meme? Oh, I don't have it here on the opening scene. Oh well. But yeah, FDA approval. Everyone's like, yeah, Novavax, and I'm like, I don't think this is gonna go well. And of course, it sells off. So RIP to Novavax apes there. But yeah, all right, guys. So we'll just proceed with the show as normal, and then I'll recheck. I'll recheck StockTwits after we're done with all this opening stuff. But yeah, you know, that's pretty disappointing. IMPP did pull back quite a bit. But for now, we'll just stick with IMPP. So yeah, guys, thanks everyone for being here. Appreciate everyone.
I appreciate you.
Let's get started here. But yeah, nothing too serious to go over today. Should be a pretty short show, unless you guys chill and chat, which I'm always welcome. Always welcome. So maybe we'll go hour and a half today. Really not expecting a long show. Alright, let's do it, guys. Please smash the like button. And before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. And yeah, happy 6/9, guys. You know, June 9th, 6/9. Nice. It's my mom's birthday today. So, I thought that was pretty cool. 6/9 on your birthday. Imagine your birthday is 6/9, like June 9th, 69. June 9th, 1969. Best birthday ever. Or in 45 years. 47 years. 2069. June 9, 2069. Working and chilling. All right. Well, thanks for being here, Morty. DocuSign had a miss on earnings, I think. They'd earnings again. Did they? Oh, they did. Earnings just came out. So, yeah, EPS was 38 cents, misses 46 cents estimate. Sales, they beat the estimate on sales. Sales were 588.7 million, which beat the estimate of 581.76 million. Oh, it is going down. It is going down. I'm just on a stupid delay here. I hate this stupid 20-minute delay they put me on. Because they're forcing me to pay for this now. Because apparently if you're a financial professional, you can't get stuff for free anymore. Pretty stupid. So, yeah. I'm a little bit on a delay here. But right now, I'm 20 minutes behind. That makes sense. So in about 5 minutes, we should see DocuSign go here on my charts. But yeah, it says it's down 14% right now. I can check it out on IBKR. Let's see, DocuSign. It's actually down 18% now. It's at 73. So yeah. So earnings weren't even that bad. Pretty average. EPS beat, or EPS miss, revenue beat. What about the earnings? Yeah, we're not going to get too much into this, but market doesn't like it. It's down 19% right now. I think it's Q2 guidance is what's really the market's upset about here. Yeah, so Q2 guidance is 600 to 604 million, and the consensus is 601.7 million. So that's actually within consensus. So I'm not really sure why DocuSign's going down so much here. Doesn't really make too much sense, but yeah, this is pretty much Netflix 2.0. So this was at 300, over 300 earlier in the year. Not early in the year, but in August it was at 300, 315 at the high. And now it's down to about $70. So yeah, the chart looks really, really similar to Netflix. Pretty sad. So yeah, here's Netflix. Double major gap down. And that's what's going to happen at DocuSign tomorrow. Is Kathy Wood still in DocuSign? I hope not. My birthday was 4/20/69? No way, dude. You're trolling. You're trolling. That's an awesome birthday as well. 4/20/69. Or just 4/20 in general if your birthday's on 4/20. But yeah, that's a really cool birthday. 4/20/69. Boomers don't really get it though. If your birthday's actually there. Was she born at 6:09 p.m.? I have no idea. Does anyone know when their actual time of birth is? I don't know. What up, Easy? And what up, Ken? Thank you guys for being here.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Appreciate everyone. So now people starting to come in. Started a little slow, but got a lot of people now. Appreciate everyone. Please smash the like button if you haven't yet. All right, let's get to the watch list. Let's start on the green side, because there's not much green. All right, disgusting. DocuSign and Netflix both C19 plays, so it's going to keep going down. That is true. That is true. DocuSign, a lot of people signing up for remote jobs. Netflix, everyone sitting at home on their ass watching TV. Peloton too. Peloton, another C19 play. Zoom, another one. So yeah, all those C19 plays are going down a lot, but Netflix, honestly, like the C19 helped it, but I wouldn't necessarily call it a C19 play. But maybe I'm just being biased because I'm stuck bag holding. Clun on me. Coming back though. Now I was born February 1990. Yeah, I was like, no way, you're not that old, dude. Too much of a coincidence. 42069. How's IMPP doing, Mr. Wong? It's holding up today. It actually went down towards the end of the day here. So, as of right now, we'll discuss it. See what it does in the aftermarket. But, hey, it held up pretty well. One of the only green stocks today, in a bloodbath. So, yeah, we'll discuss IMPP today. Soup on deck? Yeah, ramen. A lot of ramen on deck. And what up, Swarley?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thank you, everyone, for being here. Please smash the like button. And yeah, Swarley. So I'm not sure if you understood Discord the other day when you were asking about. I misunderstood your question at first, but now I get what you were saying. Why can't hedge funds just manipulate by buying puts and then shorting it down to reach their goals? So yeah, not sure if you understood, but pretty much you don't have to short it, because if you buy puts, it would force the market makers to sell off a bunch of their holdings. So they would do it for you, essentially. They would indirectly manipulate it for you. You wouldn't have to do it yourself. That's what I was pretty much getting at. All right, dude. So yeah, always community is growing real fast and always learning from each other. So glad to help you out there. Okay, so let's get to it, guys. So the Dow Jones down 1.94%. Nasdaq down 2.74%. And the S&P up or down 2.38%.
And it's gone.
Yeah, this is a pretty terrible day. Not the worst day of 2022, but this is one of the pretty bad days here. To be expected, though, it's been like this. We have like winning streak, little winning streaks, mini win, little bit of a pump, and then one day just wipes everything out. So, not surprised at all. At least this one didn't wipe out like all the gains, but it wiped out like half the gains. So pretty bad. Kind of looks like it's bull flagging though, so that's a bullish indicator. Hopefully it comes back. Damn, we're down to 402 now on SPY. Less than 402. That is sick. Why can't it just hold? Yeah, this was like a whole 2 weeks worth of gains caught in one day. And tomorrow might be worse. Hopefully not. We'll see what happens with the CPI. But we just can't hold a gain, The market, Jay Powell, said, you would have thought. F your calls. Said F your puts, pumps it, and then F your puts, dumps it. F your calls, dumps it. The VIX this is pretty bad. The VIX is up 9% today, 8.89%, up 2.13 points. So we're back at 26 VIX, which is pretty bad. We were heading in the right direction, and 26 could be a lot worse. Could be in the 30s, but yeah, we're heading back to normal, and yeah, just in one day, all the gains given back, half the gains given back, nasty stuff. BBIG looks like an entry point. Haven't checked out BBIG in a while. Yeah, actually, $2 looks pretty good. Gap down here, 275. Major support here at 195. Really shouldn't go lower than that. Looks like it's, bottoming out, catching support. So, for sure. I like the entry of $2 here. It really shouldn't break 195. If it does, that'd be pretty nasty. But looks like it's starting to bottom out. So, RSI's at 36, on the oversold side. Not oversold, but getting there. And, long term looks like a good buy. So, yeah, technically, BBIG looks like a good entry right now. I like it. 2-day SPY been down? Yeah, and it's like heavy losses, too. So it took us 2 weeks to get back up here, and then 2 days to erase a lot of the gains. Because of Biden? Yeah, everything's because of Biden, right? When in doubt, just blame Biden. Thanks, Biden. BBIG pumping to 2 digits? Yeah, that's more like it. That's realistic. BBIG can squeeze to 2 digits. 3 digits, I don't know. 4 digits, I don't know. My bad, was on the phone. Bought more short-term puts today. I swing trade my short-term SPY options, but save long-term puts. All right, so you bought FD puts. So you should have printed some pretty fat tendies there. What's the strike and expiration, if you don't mind saying? But you saved the long-term puts. So you should have been printing all around, dude. Yeah, congrats to you, Austin. Glad you made some fat tendies there. The VIX isn't that bad, given that it used to pump 20% in one day when we had those sell-offs. That is true. During the C19, during the beginning of 2022. The VIX is not nearly as volatile, but we haven't been under 20 in a while. So, a lot of fear still. A lot of fear. Hell yeah, I know BBIG can go to 3 digits. I sure hope so. Don't count on it, though. Telling you guys tomorrow will probably be a huge kind of February 24th rally. What happened on February 24th? Was it like the best day of the year? Hey, I hope so. I think a lot of people are, they have fears about the CPI, Consumer Price Index. But I don't know. I feel kind of bullish about it. We'll see, though. February 24th. Like this. Big green Hulk dick. Big green Hulk D. Shrek D. Yeah, that seems to be the best day of the year. Hopefully. We can't really break 420. Lol, 420. 418. It was like sitting around there for a while. Looked like it was about to break out, and we broke out to the downside. But yeah, both like developing, so hoping, fingers crossed, goes to the upside. Joe in the hole, 5 digits? Yeah, right, keep dreaming. BBIG will be bigger than Tesla. Yeah, when the nuclear MOS happens. What up, Henrik? What up, Joe?
Hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate you guys as always. Please smash the like button. And what up, Miku Niku girl? Haven't seen you in a while. Welcome back. Appreciate you. Please smash the like button, guys. So yeah, it looks like a lot of people coming in now. Started a little slow, but now people starting to come in. So thank you, guys. Please smash the like button. Great show. Please tell me about INDO. $10? Sure. Look at INDO. I'm feeling the rally coming too, Zach, but I don't know if it's tomorrow. Yeah, let's get some MOAS on SPY. How about that? Yeah, I don't know about tomorrow. I sure hope so. I think it's not going to be nearly as bad as people think, the CPI. I think it's going to be pretty bullish, actually. Or more bullish than people think. But yes. Come on, J Powell. Do your thing. Turn on the money printer. Picked up 5402 SPY puts expiring June 10th. So those are in the money now. Do you still have them? You gonna sell or what? I'd probably sell those first thing in the morning. Not financial advice. You can do whatever you want, but that's barely in the money. And if it pumps tomorrow, those can go to zero. So I think the best play personally would be to just dump those in the morning if you haven't already. 389 put June 21st. Oh, please no. I sure hope not. But hey, if those print, those are gonna be some fat tendies. Damn, 390. I sure hope it doesn't go back down there. It's my birthday. How's your singing voice, Ty? Happy birthday to you. That's pretty funny. Happy birthday, Joe. It's my mom's birthday too. Is your birthday actually 6'9"? Is it legit? You and my mom got the same birthday. I was just saying at the beginning. It's my mom's birthday, 6'9". Nice. And how it's pretty cool to have a birthday on 6'9". Legendary birthday. So shout out to you, Joe. Happy birthday. Hope your family does something nice for you today. Hope the wife gives you some fun time later tonight. $405 FCY put. So 390 or 405 or both. But yeah, those are in the money. So congrats, Austin. Yeah, let me know what you end up doing. Powell wreck market. Well, yeah, everyone loved Powell when he was pumping it. Now everyone hates him. So, love him, hate him. Can we short IMPP now? If you want to, dude. I don't think you should yet. But at some point, yes. Please tell me about IMPP. Will it keep going up tomorrow? Yeah, I can't say yes or no, but it does look pretty bullish still. It looks like it's still squeezing. So we'll get to that TA coming up here. So stay tuned for that. I did a video yesterday as well if you want to check that out. But we'll analyze that again today. The early ones I was gonna. Yeah, sounds like a good idea, dude. I'd probably sell those, take the money, and run. Made my day. Yeah, it really is today. And my English sung too. That's awesome, dude. Yeah, legendary birthday. And that's all. That's pretty cool. But you have to share your birthday. But I also, my birthday is the same day as my dad's. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, so happy birthday to you, Joe. And the little one. What up, Jana? What's up, what's up, what's up? Please tell me about Novavax if 41 is good to enter. Sure, let's do, so we're going to do INDO and Novavax real quick. Just please smash the like button, guys. Calls on my wife having to be nice to me tonight. Yeah, shout out to the wife. Shout out to Joe's wife. I'll wait. IMPP hits 3 digits. Gonna be a while. Can you do it early? Unfortunately, no. But we'll get through this as quick as possible. Not too much to go over. We'll get to that very shortly. All right. So let's look at INDO and what's the other one? Novavax, real quick. All right, so RSI's at 31.5, so looks like a pretty good entry. Maybe not yet. There's a gap here. Let me see. There's a gap here at 850. Like 845-ish. So, you know, honestly, the current price, 985 is pretty good entry already, but yeah, that gap scares me there. I try to get this back at 850. Not saying it's going to go back down there, but there's a good chance it does. And if it does, that'd be a really, really excellent entry. So you can't go too wrong at 985, but personally, I try to get it back at 850. I think that'd be a lot better. But yeah, really shouldn't go too much more to the downside. There's some pretty strong support. And if it breaks 15, very wide channels. So, yeah, no problem. No problem going long at 985, but 850, much better entry. A lot more tendies. But you say you're in at $10, Henrik. So, I mean, yes, pretty good entry already, but it may keep going down, so maybe you should average down if it hits 850 or sell covered calls. And Novavax. If 41 is good to enter. I mean, yeah, I would say so. Literally at the, is this the all-time low? Not the all-time low, but yearly low. Wow, this came up, huh? In 3 years. So yeah, yearly low. Can't go too wrong here. Seems like it's holding pretty strong. At, yeah, at like 42, it's holding pretty strong. So RSI is at 40, so not quite oversold and undervalued, but, you know, that's below average. So above average entry there. Yeah, you know, I like it. I like it. It's holding pretty strong at, yeah, 41. If it breaks that, though, it is critical support. Yeah, so I think 42, 41, 42 is a good entry. If it breaks that, it may come down quite a bit, to be honest. May come back down to the $20 range, in the 20s if it breaks 41. But there's some critical support there, so it's a little bit unsettling how wide the channel is to the downside, but it is critical support, so yeah, I would say 41 is a good buy. But there is the possibility if it breaks out to the downside, it goes down to the $20 range, and that'd be pretty nasty. So just be aware of that. But it does look like an above average entry to me. I like it. So I hope that answers your question, Jana. All right, let's get to the watch list here. Not going to spend too much time. But yeah, so on the green side, IMPP biggest gainer, 9.33%. Pulling back in the aftermarket, though, that's really nasty. Pulling back quite a bit, actually. But yeah, that's up 9.33%, which we'll discuss today first and only. Not much here. Chewy, Dollar General, Costco, Starbucks, Domino's, Honda. Literally nothing in the green. Like, at all. So, pretty hard to make money as a bull here. I love these dips. Yeah, they are buying opportunities. You know, this is how the rich get richer and the poor get poorer. Because retail freaks out. They panic sell. The rich come in, buy the dip. Right? As a wise man once said, buy the effing dip. Welcome, Jenna. So yeah, really nothing in the green today. Literally nothing. On the red side, pretty much everything in the red. Novavax #1 in the red. I knew that was going to happen. Knew it was too good to be true. Then a lot of memes here. INDO, Centro, Skills, Marathon, Moderna, all down 10%. So vaccine's not doing too good today, huh? Bed Bath & Beyond, Square. Damn, Square, or it's Block now. Block is down to 76. And I sold at 90, and I thought I was giving myself the clown. Now it's right back here. That's crazy. Virgin Galactic, talking about space, Austin. Down 9.5%. Looks like a pretty good dip there. Roku. Cruises down. Carnival. Norwegian. Peloton. Affirm. MMAT. Everything is getting wrecked here. Riot, SoFi, Clover, Ethereum. Ethereum's under $3 now. Alibaba, a lot of gains given back, down 8%. Oxygen, Coinbase. Yeah, crypto stocks not doing good today. China not doing good today. There's NEO, Nile, HUSA. Oil not doing good except for IMPP today. Roblox, Snap, GME, everything down. Tilray, DoorDash, MicroStrategy, Mullen, it's down to 120 now. BBIG's under $2. CEI. Bumble, Xpeng, AMC. Honorable mention AMC. Palantir. This is disgusting. Sundial, Wish, Paramount. Meme index down 5.11%. Damn, Netflix went down 5%. Holy crap. That's nasty. Redbox, honorable mention, down 4.63%. Robinhood, American Airlines, Amazon. Damn, Amazon went down 4%. Yeah, this is pretty bad for tech. So growth and value getting wrecked here, especially tech. Amazon down 4%. Not used to this post split price. It's at 116 now. Lyft, PayPal, Delta, Bank of America, MasterCard. Apple went down 3.6%. Ouch. JetBlue, DraftKings. Everything. Nvidia 3.22%. Nike down 3%. AMD 3%. GM, American Express. Twitter is under 40 now. Schwab, JP Morgan, Microsoft. Microsoft went down 2%. Financials getting wrecked. Chevron down 2%. Yeah, this is pretty bad. And then just some random stuff. Pepsi, Lee, Target, McDonald's, Verizon. Tesla held up pretty well. Only down 1%. But yeah. Nasty, nasty day. Everyone getting wrecked here today. All the bulls. Apes, boomers, everyone getting wrecked here. Yeah, so it's been a little while, not even that long, but this is one of the worst days we had in a while here. Terrible day, all around. We'll get to crypto right now, but I think crypto held up pretty decently, but yeah, terrible day for the stock market. So I think this is mostly because everyone's expecting the CPI tomorrow to be pretty bad. Hopefully not, but we'll see. But yeah, ouch, this one hurt today. Definitely just deleted a bunch of momentum here in the last 2 days. Building up for 2 weeks, we're doing pretty good. Looking pretty bullish, and it's gone in 2 days.
And it's gone.
I'm doing Astra and Black Sky. I like those, dude. Want to pick up Rocket Lab for a cheaper price? Yeah, so you seem pretty bullish on space, dude. No Virgin Galactic. Going for more growth, huh? Might kick myself down the road, but I'm still willing to buy. I am bullish on space stonks. Yeah, that's definitely, an emerging industry. May take a while, though. I hope not. But, everyone's pretty bullish on the 420, and that's not going anywhere. So hopefully space does a little better. I have Virgin Galactic, but who can afford a ticket at those prices? Rich people. That's who it's catered toward. But hopefully in the future, the price comes down. Even if I was that rich, I ain't paying, what is it, $300,000 for, 10 minutes in space? That's ridiculous. I'll wait. I can wait. Ramen today? Yeah. Mega ramen. Can't wait for bull season? Yep. Everyone's waiting for that. May take a while, though. Maybe a year, honestly. But hopefully sooner than later. I have Virgin, my average is 15. What's it at now? I think it's lower than that. Alright, so you're down like 50%, more than 15%. Yep, it's been tough for this stock. I had calls back when this was in meme mania. At like 50, I had calls. That was pretty funny. Now it's down here. Glad I sold those. Chamath dumped this one too. Branson and Chamath were dumping like crazy on their investors. That's what happens with SPACs. Can get a lot of white and and hookers with 300K. Yeah, I think that's money better spent. I'd definitely go for that over 10 minutes in space. I'd rather YOLO buy some degenerate options than spend 300K in 10 minutes in space. IMPP 10D tomorrow, 3-digit Raw Coco coming nuclear MOAS. Is he pushing IMPP? Yeah, keep dreaming. You can buy a bag of devil's lettuce for $2.40 and it'll take you to space quite a few times. Yeah. That is true. I don't know about space. My tolerance is a bit too high for that now, but I think a bit of you know what? We're not gonna get into this right now, but uh, yeah. If you have low tolerance, yeah, you can buy an ounce for 240. That'll do the trick if you get the good stuff. But if not the devil's lettuce, you know, some other stuff will definitely do the trick as well. Don't do drugs, guys. I'm not encouraging drugs here. Okay, let's get to crypto now. 300K BJ might be the most expensive BJ in history. $100 in Michigan? No way, dude. Really? Is it good? That's like West Coast prices. That's like Oregon, California, Washington prices. That is really cheap. Interesting. Got to check it out. Is it good? Where can I buy? Your local corner, dude. Where the Kardashians snow? Don't know what you mean by that. Oh, got you. Got you. Got you. I know what you're talking about. I don't know. I don't do that. I just stick to the 420. Metro Detroit. Everyone is growing. Indoors? I don't really see, you know, people farming this stuff in Detroit. Because indoors is kind of expensive. But you have a lot, if you have a lot of land, you know, in Northern California, Oregon, Washington, that's why it's so cheap. Nothing but land. And they specialize in this stuff. Alright, 1 second here. Let me pull up crypto and check YouTube real quick. Alright, we're at 9 viewers, 13 likes, so thank you guys. A lot of people in here. So we started a bit slow, but definitely a great show now.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
Alright. Police station selling. Not legally, but I'm sure there's a lot of corrupt cops, you know, going in the evidence room for themselves. If I was a cop, I'd be pretty tempted. Not gonna lie. In warehouses. So yeah, that sounds like illegal grows. That's pretty interesting. I wonder how it's that cheap. You know, this stuff takes a lot of money to actually cultivate. Unless it's like greenhouse warehouses. That's interesting. Gotta try that Michigan 420. Try it for myself. But, you know, to me personally, there's nothing like West Coast 420. The best I've ever had. by far. It is legal. But I'm saying, are the grows legal? Because it's legal in New York, but there's a lot of illegal stuff happening in New York. Got 12 planks in my backyard right now. What up, Wilson? And what up, Asian Zaddy? Haven't seen you before, so appreciate you guys.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up, 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 what's up?
Yeah, outdoor stuff is pretty good, but you know, it doesn't even compare to the indoor. But the indoor is much more expensive. That's pretty cool. I wish I had a garden. I'd for sure have my own stuff. But you know, I'm stuck in this little ass apartment in New York City. When I get my property, when I get, you know, more property and a whole garden, outdoor space, I'll have my own stuff for sure. We're getting a bit off topic here. Looks like you're still high from it. No, not right now. I did a little yesterday, but no, I'm good now. I've done the show on the 420 like 2 times and decided it was a bad idea. So never again. They don't necessarily have licenses. Yeah, it's like a free for all out here now. I have friends that drive to Michigan every month just for that. Well, I guess it's close to Ohio. That makes sense. Do you do any trading in your Discord? Well, the community. Some people, personally, I don't trade right now, but I want to eventually, again, when crypto comes back up. So when I cash out my crypto and I start day trading again, I'll put my updates there. But yeah, other people in the community post their trades and tips and stuff. So yeah, dude, join the Discord, check it out. Link in the description. Punk Skater says, yeah, hopefully the wife puts out today. They grab carts mostly. Yeah, I like the carts. I used to make them myself from wax and stuff, from concentrates. I like the wiping. Are you the 420 man? No, but I love me some 420. I used to do it a lot. Now slowed down quite a bit. I used to do it every day. Now it's like once a week. Back to the stocks element. Yeah, we're getting a bit off topic here. Going off the rails. Biden's birthday today? Is it actually? It's everyone's birthday. 6'9", legendary birthday. You high and play stock? Damn. No, not anymore. Not anymore. And not back then. Back then I didn't play stock. So I don't think that's a good idea. Although the guys on Wall Street, they do a lot worse. You know, they're on everything doing stocks. Doing stocks. Every day? Used to. In college, yeah. Nowadays, no. Gotta be, be more responsible. Now that I'm older. All right, let's get back to the show, guys. Going a little bit off the rails here. Good talk though. All right, so here's crypto. It is hot, damn. It is. So here's crypto. That is down 0.14% today. So not that bad in crypto, but crypto Bitcoin did pull back. It was at 31K yesterday. So really can't break 30K either way. 30K critical support, critical resistance. So trending, we got Green Satoshi token, Unify Protocol, and Binance. Nothing too crazy going on there. Biggest gainers, Tencent. No idea what that is, but that's up 1,600%. Burn to Earn, and A-Gang. No idea what those are. And what is this? Metacars, I Will Poop It NFT. The ticker is shit. Do you see this? I will poop it NFT. SHIT ticker. You've got to be kidding me. Wow. And yeah, Metacars. What is Metacars? And then there's MetaZa. All right.
Hey, you're gonna lose all your money. That's a scam.
Interesting. So yeah, everyone, all in. I will poop it NFT. No, please don't do that, guys. I know Ty knows, but for the new folk, getting high got me liquidated, so don't smoke and drink, guys. Yeah, it's probably not a good idea. Don't really recommend that unless you want to blow your money. But like I said, the guys on Wall Street do much worse. They're on the harder stuff. They do the white, and so I could never even I can't even imagine. But yeah, probably not a good idea, guys. Poop NFT. Yeah. Whatever that is. Don't buy that, guys. Watch it go to the moon. That'd be pretty funny. All right. So, yeah, to the actual crypto. So, Bitcoin, pretty sideways, holding 30K. Ether, sideways, holding 1,800. Everything sideways. Binance, Cardano down a little bit. XRP sideways. Solana up 3%. Dogecoin down a little. Polkadot's in the green, 3%. So, Solana, Polkadot are up. Yeah, this is pretty sideways. Nothing too crazy going on. Chainlink up 5%, 5.5. Polygon's up. FTX 1.4. Not too much price action. Here's VeChain 8%. This ain't too bad. Let's sort this out. Alright, so actually, there's not too many coins in the green here. Maybe like 20%. And not much price action. Biggest gainer is Helium, 10%. Then VeChain, Theta. Biggest value gainer is Chainlink, and then Polygon, and then Polkadot. And on the red side, so most of the coins in the red here, about 80%. But not much price action. Biggest loser is Huobi, 6%. So pretty interesting. Slightly bearish day. Most of the coins in the red, but not too much price action. Mostly growth trading here. Not too much value. Value is pretty sideways. So it seems to be kind of balanced. Because not many coins in the green, but the coins that did go up quite a bit. And most of the coins in the red, but not too much price action. So pretty uneventful day in crypto. So I'll take it. Could have been a lot worse, but yeah. So terrible day in stock market. Slightly bearish day in crypto. Overall, pretty good. I just need Bitcoin to do something. Break 30K. Every time it breaks 31, 32, goes right back down to 30. Which, I guess we shouldn't complain that it's not going under 30, but I'm tired of this just holding 30. My covered calls like it, though. Anyways, let's get to articles now. 1 second, let me pull that up. And let's check YouTube real quick. 9 viewers, 14 likes now. Appreciate everyone. Please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't yet. Okay. So today we got 3 articles. Nothing too serious here. Minor news. One about Do Kwon. One about CPI tomorrow. Possible predictions. And one about gas. So let's do it. Not going to spend too much time here. Minor news. So first article. Do Kwon appealed. Overruled. Must comply with SEC investigation into Mirror Protocol. So this isn't even about Terra. Do Kwon is in all types of trouble here. So the CEO and founder of Terraform Labs, Do Kwon, has been ordered to comply with subpoenas issued by the SEC in February. Okay, so yeah, this is for Mirror Protocol, which is another thing he was shilling. I think that didn't work out as well. I think that went down quite a bit. Yeah, Mirror Protocol is DeFi built on Terra that enables users to exchange synthetic versions of stock like Tesla and Apple. So the SEC told him to stop. He appealed it, and he lost the appeal. So now he's in trouble for Terra and Mirror Protocol. And I think Mirror went down quite a bit too. So yeah, Do Kwon is not having a good time. In all types of legal trouble. Everyone's going after him right now. United States, Korea, everyone. Kind of feel bad, but not really. So yeah, not even Terra news, but Do Kwon in all types of trouble. All right, we'll check it out, Joe. Thanks for that. All right, now we got some minor articles from CNBC. Bringing inflation down is going to take time, patience, and pain. Key points. To stop the 40-year highs in price increases, the economy will have to slow, supply chains will need to get fixed, and demand will have to come back in line with pre-pandemic norms. Friday's highly anticipated CPI inflation report for May is likely to show only modest relief, if any. A recent paper by former Treasury Secretary and Obama administration advisor Larry Summers suggests harsh interest rates hikes may be needed. President Joe Biden himself noted that much of the heavy lifting has to be done by the Fed. Yeah, so everyone, for some reason, everyone thinks that tomorrow is not going to be good. Honestly, I don't think it's going to be great, but I think it's going to be better than people expect. I think inflation is starting to come down slowly but surely. And yeah, I do think supply chain is coming back to normal slowly but surely. So everyone's like, recession's imminent. I don't know. I think we're kind of already in a recession, and I think we're low-key already bottoms. Not financial advice. But yeah, those are the big problems. Inflation, supply chain, and those are coming back to normal. May take, a year to get to the target. 2% inflation. I think we're at like 8% now, but I don't know. We'll see how tomorrow goes. But for whatever reason, everyone thinks it's going to be bad. I don't really think so. Hopefully not. Fingers crossed. Alright, now we got an article about gas here. The more gasoline rises above $5, the greater risk there is of a recession. Again, I think we're already in a recession. So, let's read here. Key points. As gasoline nears $5 a gallon, economists say prices will have to go higher and stay elevated to cause a recession. If we get to $5.50 or $6, that would be consistent with $150 for a barrel of oil. I think then we're done. We're in for a recession, said one economist. The consumer is much better prepared to cope with the high gasoline prices than in 2008, the last time there was a big spike. But there are also broader inflationary headwinds from rising food prices and rents. So, I don't know about you guys, but it's already $5 here in New York. And I think it's like 6 or 7 in California. So, high gas prices equals recession? I don't know. Who are these economists? So, I don't expect gas to go down. I think it's going to keep going up. But yeah, everyone's so bearish right now. I don't know. And, I am a rainbow bear. But even I think it's starting to look bullish. I don't know. Interesting takes. But, I don't know, I think it's kind of fun. We'll see. Alright, let's see what Joe has for us here. UFC, huh? Let me load up StockTwits as well. See if there's any changes in retail sentiment. Alright, let's give this a second to finish loading here. Alright, UFC taps VeChain as first official Layer 1 blockchain partner. Multi-year deal worth $100 million. Okay. Yeah, so we are seeing crypto coming into sports a lot now. So I think this is. I haven't really seen anything with UFC. You know, it's definitely all over basketball and football and hockey and even baseball, but haven't really seen UFC sign crypto deals. So I guess this is pretty big. Not really sure what a layer 1 blockchain partner is, but okay. It says the partnership includes a variety of integrations into UFC live events and original content for its digital and social media channels. Alright, so yeah, I don't really understand this, but good for VeChain, good for UFC. This is a lot more legit than actually there was a, what is it, Marshall Rogan Inu? I think that was the other thing these fighters are promoting. I think it was Marshall Rogan Inu, if I'm not mistaken. And it was the most ridiculous thing ever. All the fighters kept pumping this Marshall Rogan Inu, and I'm like, this is just a straight up meme. There's no way, and I'm not sure what it is now, but yeah, they need to get that under control. And VeChain is definitely a lot more legit than Marshall Rogan Inu. So good for VeChain, good for the UFC. Thanks for that, Joe. And let's just check up on StockTwits rankings. Alright, so as of right now, we're just going to do IMPP. But let's double check here. So Redbox is down 7%. IMPP 8.2 up. Maybe we should do Redbox as well. Don't really want to do Redbox. But yeah, we're definitely going to do IMPP. Let's check it out real quick. So I wasn't planning on doing Redbox. It's really pulling back in the aftermarket. It didn't go down that much, but in the aftermarket it is going down. Interesting. It's at 7%, but it's... Let's see here. Yeah, I don't think we're going to do Redbox. Not enough price action. It is pulling back quite a bit in the aftermarket, though. I guess if it keeps going down, I may do some bonus content later. But for now, we'll just do IMPP. Yeah, we'll just stick to IMPP. But even that's going down in the aftermarket here. Alright, yeah, we'll just do IMPP. And possibly bonus content on Redbox later. But we've been doing Redbox for all week, so I don't really want to do that anymore. Alright, guys, so we're just going to do IMPP today. Shouldn't take too long. More or less the same from yesterday. Not too many indicators here. And then we'll finish up with the Yolos. So what time is it? 5:08. So we've been... It took a while, actually, to get through all that stuff. But, you know, a lot of people in here chatting, so that's okay. I shorted Redbox, low risk, no reward. I think there is a reward there. And I think shorting Redbox is a pretty good play right now. So good luck to you, dude. I did a video yesterday, so I'd personally cover around like 850 to 650, I think I said. So good luck to you there. You got OnlyFans, Mr. Wong? No, not yet, but maybe if I keep losing money in this damn bear market, I may have to make one soon. So, no. No, I don't, and I don't plan on it. You got Patreon, though, if you want to support. Alright, IMPP. Let's do it. So here is IMPP Imperial Petroleum. This finishes at 82 cents today. That is up 9.33%. So we talked about the stock yesterday. Was definitely short squeezing. And today, this stock did really well, considering that the whole market was in a bloodbath. This was really one of the only stocks in the green. Deep in the green too. So this did make top 10 on StockTwits today. Once again, I believe it was 4th. Had over 5,000 mentions. So once again, we're going to analyze it. Still a lot of retail momentum here. Still a retail favorite. So no company specific news to justify this price action today. Again, it just seems like it's still short squeezing. Ape's not giving up, still diamond handing. And short's getting squeezed out here. So let's go ahead, let's jump right in and analyze. And really, there's not too much to go off of. But first of all, this appears to be a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being the low of 38 cents. And there are multiple possible tops. Let's see here. It can be 108. 135, 155, 180, 230, 295, 450, 610, or even the high of 970. But those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. Although I do think the most realistic top would be 108. And then we do have a double gap down. First gap down back at 470. So that's a bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to 470 to fill that gap. And where's the second one? Here it is. And the second gap down is back at 555. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 555 to fill this gap. So those might take a while to fill, but eventually they should. So double gap down, bullish indicators in the long term. Is the MACD? Yeah. And in the aftermarket here, this is pulling back down to 81 cents. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bearish indicator. That is telling us that tomorrow this stock will likely sell off. Okay. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. Alright, so how high we got a 150. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 86 cents and 78 cents. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 86 cents, 90 cents, 97 cents, 110, 115, 125, 135, 145, 155, and then 170. There is resistance above 170, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 78 cents, 66 cents, 56 cents, 48 cents, 40 cents, and then the low of 38 cents. So right now at the current price, 82 cents, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized. So expect a regular amount of price action, either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 230 to the upside, the channel starts to open up and get really wide. So expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 230. RSI is currently at 57. So pretty average RSI, maybe a little bit above average. So according to the RSI, the current price of 82 cents should be a little bit lower, but it is around fair market value. And this did 232 million in volume today. Very significant volume. Second biggest volume day of the year after yesterday. So this pump/squeeze today was confirmed by the volume. Definitely still short squeezing, but it looks like momentum is starting to come down. So the squeeze may be coming to an end pretty soon. Okay. Alright guys, so just my opinion, not financial advice. So this is definitely still short squeezing. But like I just said, I don't think there's too much more But I think the squeeze is starting to wind down. Not as much volume today as yesterday, and probably in the next few days there's going to be even less volume. So there's still more upside to go. But I do believe the big part of the squeeze. But I do believe the big part of the squeeze is over. This already went up over 100% in the past 2 weeks here. Huge gain. Really can't expect too much more. That's for the short term, though. In the long term, the chart still looks really bullish. Again, very bullish indicators in the cup and handle and double gap down. So in the grand scheme of things, the current price of 82 cents is Still a pretty decent entry. Even though you missed a lot of upside already. If aftermarket go up, tomorrow will be good for IMPP. Yeah, but it's not. It's going down right now. Bitcoin turning green. Good sign for tomorrow, in my opinion. Is it? What's it at now? It's going to go back to 30K, though. Okay. So, therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. Let's see here. Personally, I wouldn't do it. I think you missed out on a lot of upside already. But there is still more upside to go. Squeeze not quite done just yet. I do believe this can come back up to 110 to complete this cup here. So, it's a bit risky, but still a lot of potential tendies to be made here on the upside. Let's see. Not 35. So I think so from the current price of 82 cents up to 110, where the top of this short-term cup is, that's still about a 35% downside, or excuse me, 35% upside. So still a lot of tendies to be made. So still a lot of potential tendies to be made here on the upside. So yeah, personally, I wouldn't go for it because 82 isn't exactly the greatest entry, but it's still pretty decent. So if you want to, guys, so I can't support going long here. Just make sure you hit the sell button once this comes close to 110, where the top of the cup is. But honestly, if you're in this for the long term, you can just buy and hold. 82. Not the greatest entry, but pretty average entry. And again, this should eventually come back up to 155 and 470 to fill the cups, or excuse me, to fill the gaps. And how much would that be? And from the current price of 82 cents up to 155, where the first gap is, that is a 90% upside. That's about a 90% upside. And from the current price 82 cents up to the second gap at 470, that's about a 475% upside. So yeah, still a lot of upside in the short and long terms. So if you want to swing trade this, it's a bit risky because, like I said, the squeeze does appear like it's coming to an end pretty soon. But still potentially 35% upside. But if you're in this for the long term and you want to buy and hold, definitely a lot of upside potential in the long term. And here comes the sirens. First one of the day. We're doing pretty good on those. Alright, my apologies. Getting back to this. So 35% upside in the short term, 90 to 475% upside in the long term. So yeah. I would support going long at 82 cents. But make sure you hit the sell button in the short term. And if you want to hold this for the long term, looks like a pretty good play. So let's see here. So in the short term, I would say going long here would be a medium risk, high reward play. And in the long term, it would be a low risk, high reward play. So definitely worth the shot here. Going long. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that just yet, at least. I think there is still more upside to go here. And if it does continue to squeeze to the upside, then I think going short would be good. But I don't like the current entry of 82 cents. I would hold off. Not sure how high it's gonna go, but I predict that it'll top out somewhere around 110. So I would hold off on the short side, and I would start going short at 110 and higher. And I think that would be and I would think that'd be a much better entry than the current price. And let's do some math here. 70 cents, 35. And then if/when this hits 110, I predict this will come back down to 75 cents. Because 75 cents is halfway between 110 and 40 cents. The top and bottoms of the cup. So, I would support going short at 110 and then covering at 75 cents. And that would be what? And that would be over a 30% downside. So yeah, going short at the current price, not necessarily a bad play, but I would hold off. Try to get a better entry, and if you can get this back at 110 and higher, there would be a lot of potential downside. And in fact, that needs to be made. This will have to pull back at some point, just a matter of when, not if, as with every short squeeze. I still think there's more upside to go. So this should continue to run for the next few days, but you want to try to catch this. You want to try to catch that. You want to try to catch the. I can't talk today, but you want to try to catch this at the top. Once this is done squeezing. So yeah, I don't like the entry of 82 cents, but I would support going short at 110 and higher. And again, I would cover at 75 cents. All right. That was happened yesterday and go down a bit, 10% after hours. It looks like it's coming back here in the aftermarket. What up, Patrick?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up, 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 what's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. As always, closed 2,000 shares of Redbox today at $10. All right, congrats, dude. Fat gains. I think your cost average was what, $3? So yeah, that's really fat. Over a 200% gain. Congrats to you, Patrick. Very well done. Well deserved. Very happy for you. Glad you made a lot of money, especially in the bloodbath here. And Machete, what's up, what's up, what's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up, 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 what's up?
Appreciate you as well. What's Redbox doing now? It's going down quite a bit. Going down quite a bit in the aftermarket. So maybe I should do some bonus content. But let's just finish up with IMPP. Alright, so pretty straightforward, guys. Ape's still in here. Stock still short squeezing. Big day today. Held up really well. In a market bloodbath. And still appears to be short squeezing. Still a lot of momentum. It does appear like it is winding down, though. So be careful, guys. But yeah, if you want to go long, 82 cents, not the greatest entry, but still looks pretty bullish in the short and long terms. So I can't support going long here. If you're in this for the short term, if you're swing trading it, make sure you hit the sell button. And I don't think going short is the greatest play just yet, but I would try to catch this. But sooner or later, this will have to come. This will have to pull back, as with every short squeeze. So I would let this run a little bit longer and try to catch this at the top. I think 110 would be a good time to short this down, and I would cover around 75 cents. Because that is potentially where the handle will form in the cup and handle. And that should be a relatively easy 30% gain. So there's an opportunity to make money on both sides here. Bulls make money, bears make money, pigs get slaughtered. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is IMPP Imperial Petroleum. What up, low roller?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up, 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 what's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. It's been a couple days since you've been here, so nice having you back. High bad day, got wrecked, lost $150 skill game. I have to go back looking for free bonus again. Sorry to hear that. Yeah, everyone's losing money today for the most part. Nasty day in the market. So I feel you, dude. That sucks, but glad to have you back here. Better luck next time. What's the long-term outlook on IMPP? Yeah, I'm not sure how if you were here for the beginning, Patrick, but it looks really bullish long-term. There's a gap down at 155 and 470. So long-term, 90 to 475% upside potential. Quick summary, if you want to go watch the playback. But yeah, long-term looks really bullish. You know, True Demon said AMC to 100K. I don't know who True Demon is, but yeah, in the beginning, last year, when it was squeezing, everyone was screaming 100K, AMC to 100K. And I made a video. I literally made a video saying apes are delusional. AMC to 100K, lol. And I got a lot of hate for that. You know, the AMC army came after me hard, saying I don't know what I'm talking about. And I admit, I was wrong on AMC. I didn't think it would go that high, but 100K is ridiculous. And people really believe this stuff. But alright, whatever. So yeah, guys, that's all the TA for today. It took a little longer than I expected. But yeah, we're done with that. Just IMPP. And I may have to do some bonus content on Redbox after the show, depending on how the aftermarket action goes. But for now, that's it. Let's get to the Yolos. Shouldn't take too long. Not too many to go over. He just said it a couple of days ago. Yeah, that's just sad, you know. It's just clickbait. And he knows it's clickbait, too. He can't possibly believe that. It's just clickbait for, you know, getting more subs. And, you know, people buy it up. People eat it up. A lot of hopium. It's all the bag holders holding AMC. You know, if you diamond hand one day, it will nuclear MOAS. Not really. Alright, 1 second here, guys. Going to just loading up the YOLOs. Only 5 of them, so this shouldn't take too long. So anything else, guys? Questions, comments, concerns? Put it in the chat right now. Charts, anything? Take a look at those. Otherwise, we'll just finish up with the YOLOs and get out of here. Unless AMC merged with BBIG. True Demon is a good guy. Maybe he's broke now. I've never heard of him, so maybe I'll check him out later. But, you know, there ain't no way AMC is going to 100K. That's just really sad. Shouldn't mislead people like that. A couple of days ago, I found $200 bonus. Now I'm down last 11 bucks. Damn, dude. Maybe you should just chill out. Take a break. IMPP to 3 digits tomorrow. Yeah, keep dreaming. YOLO ramen tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow's tendies. Gotta see what the CPI is looking like. He got good analysis too. How can you have good analysis? What analysis says it's going up to 100K? I'll check it out, but either he's just clickbaiting or just dumb. I don't know. It has to be clickbait. You think recession is coming to an end? Yeah, personally I do. But everyone else doesn't think so. But it's looking pretty good to me. Neutral CPI would be good today. Yeah, as long as inflation is starting to come down, I think that'd be bullish. And it should, because the rate hikes are actually working. So, you know, I think it is coming to an end. But what do I know? Everyone else says it hasn't even started yet. To me, we're already in one and we're getting out of it. We'll see, though. I get greedy, want more money today? Yeah, dude. You said it yourself, you know. You got to know when to cash out, so. That's what happens. Can't get too greedy. Kramer said recession is done. Well, that's a bearish indicator. That's not good. If Kramer says it's done, it hasn't even started yet. No, I'm just joking. But you know the joke. Inverse Jim Kramer. Alright, guys. So today I only got 5 YOLOs. Shouldn't take too long. We got 3 memes and 2 actual YOLOs. So, should be fun. Let's do it, guys. First one is by I Weld Man. RIP Oil. So, here's a Jim Cramer meme. Jim Cramer says oil is the only dip that can be bought right now. Here are 3 blue chip energy stocks that also provide. Alright, whatever. So, yeah, if Jim Cramer says oil, buy oil, maybe you should sell oil and short oil. Because you know the joke, inverse Jim Cramer. I will say though, oil is like legit the only energy. It is the only sector. Energy is the only sector that's holding up and doing really well in these crazy times. So, I somewhat agree with Cramer here, but yeah, you guys know the joke. If he says it's going up, good chance it's going down. So yeah, RIP oil. What if Cramer is right? Cramer is right a bunch of the time. Most of the time, not. I wouldn't really listen to him, but he's not right. He's not wrong all the time, let's put it that way. He's a good TV personality. Wouldn't really take financial advice from him, but he's wrong more often than not. But he is right a lot, too, so people just clown at him. They highlight when he's wrong. Alright, this is by DK Watkins 28. Guy uses margin to buy real estate and gets margin called right after. Alright, so this was pretty funny here. So, quick summary. So he sold his home in January, made $2 million, put it in stock and cash. And then he bought another home for $1.35 million using cash and a $750,000 loan against his $1 million brokerage account. And then last night, Schwab margin called him because he's down $230K in the last 5 weeks. And now he's stuck because if he sells off his stock, he'd be selling at low. He would have bought high, sold low. And he'd have to take $230K in realized losses. And he's complaining because they were all in good stock. Apple, Google, Amazon. And he says he can't get a conventional loan because he doesn't have income. He's a freelance photographer. And a couple years behind on his tax return. Alright, so a lot going on here. So, he doesn't have a real job, and he's saying he's broke, but he has a lot of money because of his house. He's definitely not poor, but, yeah. So, this is why you probably shouldn't take a loan against your brokerage account. I don't know why he didn't just take a regular mortgage. Well, because he doesn't have a job. So, yeah. I feel bad for the guy because he didn't really do anything that crazy. He just got wrecked in the stock market. Now he just has to pay back his margin call. So, I don't know. At this point, maybe you can get a home equity loan, but he says he can't get any loan. But yeah, I think if he can, try to get another loan to cover this. Refinance, home equity, something. Because that'd be the worst case scenario. Having to sell off your stock to repay the loan. But yeah, you should have been in this situation in the first place. Don't take loans against your brokerage account, guys. You know me. I don't like debt. I say the only debt you should take is a mortgage. But apparently he can't get one because he doesn't have a real job. So maybe get a job and then try to get a mortgage. or refinance or something. But yeah, this is like first world problems. Because he's not actually broke. Just put himself in a difficult situation here. So yeah, guys. Moral of the story. Don't borrow against your brokerage account unless you got cash. So, yeah. DK Watkins, 28, thanks for posting. Sorry for this, dude. Pretty tough situation. But, yeah. Maybe in the future, have more cash on hand. And don't take crazy loans like this. And maybe get a job. I think that'd help you a lot. That may solve everything. But good luck to you, dude. Thanks for posting. And please post updates. What those YouTubers do is have a crazy content so everyone watches and he gets paid. Yeah. They clickbait a lot. And they get your hopes up. And people buy it up. So, I don't think it's good for the long term. You're not going to last long term screaming to the moon. But it definitely gets you a lot of subs in the short term. And I really hate content creators like that. Call them moon boys. I try to do things the legit right way here. And grinding every day. But it's going to pay off in the long term. So, never going to see me screaming to the moon. I'm realistic here. He's a 1099 guy. They wrecked SoFi today. Yeah, all the meme stocks, everything got wrecked today. Kramer to stocks is like chlamydia is to gangbang. Sounds good at first, but ends up burning in regret. Nice one, dude. Give you the laugh here. Alright, this is by S. Barrett. just inflation and my poor country. So here's the Franco Noose meme. Sorry about the sirens, guys. Gonna talk over it. Americans, oh my god, gas is so effing expensive. And so it's not Turkey anymore. Apparently, a couple weeks ago, they officially changed the name to Turkey. So it's spelled Turkey now, not turkey, like, gobble, gobble, gobble. But yeah, in Turkey, they got a big inflation problem right now. We're complaining about inflation here, but they got a lot of inflation. So yeah, Turkey, first time. So June 1st, 2021, gas was $4. Now it's at $11.60. So yeah, we think we got it bad here. They got it really bad there in Turkey. Inflation problem. So maybe we should be a bit more grateful. But good stuff. Alright, so this one's by Asin Ha. All in SPY. Alright, guys, so don't do this. This is pretty ridiculous. Yeah, don't YOLO all in, especially with, FDs, but this is Wall Street Bets. Wow, this is a super FD YOLO. Okay. So here we got 200 calls, SPY, 417 strike. This was a 14K YOLO. Expires tomorrow. Oh boy, oh boy. I think they pronounce it Turkey Ya. Is it? Turkey Ya? Alright, I don't know. I'm ignorant. Turkey Ya. That doesn't sound like it's spelled. Alright, whatever. Yeah, what do I know? I'm just an ignorant American, right? Let's check out SPY. Alright, I don't know about this. I don't know about... This is not working. This is highly unlikely this works. This is absurd. This is absolutely insane. What is the delta on this? This is not going to work. No way. $4.17. 11. No, 3. Delta's 3, so. Yeah, I don't know what the hell is this guy doing. So if it does work, it's going to print some fat tendies, but 3% chance this works. No way. No way. This is crazy. Well, he did the 6 hours ago, so he literally bought the high, and it crashed after that. I don't think it's worth 30. I don't think it's worth 13K anymore. What's it worth now? 10. I think it's worth 2,000 now. I think it's worth 2,000 now. All right, yeah. So it's not actually worth 13K anymore. It's actually worth 2,000. So this is a little bit outdated here. Here he only lost $800, but actually he lost 12,000 bucks already.
And it's gone.
So he might have to post an update. Yeah, so don't do this, guys. This is absurd. Super FD. Way out of the money. Way too close expiration. And yeah, catch you at Wendy's, dude. Give him the Wendy's. So, it's amazing. You see these crazy YOLOs. You see all this lost cord, and people still try to do this. So, bad play all around. Really terrible play. Can't feel too bad. I mean, I feel bad because that's how you lose your life savings in one day, but can't feel too bad because this is just absolutely dumb. So, all right. So he still has 2K in value here. Only one thing to do tomorrow morning: hit the sell button. You lost 12K. You can save yourself another 2K. Don't lose it all. And I hope you learn. Hope you learn from this, dude. Chill out, unless you just want to be broke your whole life. But yeah, Sinha, thanks for hosting. Not over yet, but looking really, really bad. Sorry for your loss so far. Hope it works out, but Yeah, I think you should hit the sell button first thing in the morning. Save yourself. 2K here. Cut your losses. So, yeah, please post updates. I was just looking at that SPY YOLO, and the OP said I think I effed up bigly an hour ago in the comments. Yep. Yep. He effed up. He effed up. So, hope he sells tomorrow. But, yeah, that's how you lose everything in one day. Alright, last one. The Better Theta. By the Better Theta, I'd like a one-way ticket to not effing here. Alright, so here's an update, because we definitely reviewed this guy early in the week, I think. So he had a bunch of FDs for all different stocks here. I think at the time he was up. Yeah, he had a bunch of GME FDs, and he was up at the time. And I'm pretty sure I told him to hit the sell button, and of course he didn't listen. So, forgot how much he was up before, but he was up on all his GME YOLOs. And he also has Amazon and Apple YOLOs as well, and Bed Bath & Beyond, so let's see here. So not too bad, but it's 3K, 4K, 6K. We'll just call this a 6K loss. 6K loss. So yeah. Should have hit the sell button. Should have hit the sell button. Got too greedy. Should have sold those GME FDs. And he has Amazon 150. That's not going to happen. And Apple 160. Yep. So you should probably sell everything here, because this is not going to work. But yeah, the Better Theta. Thanks for hosting. Thanks for the update, dude. Yeah, should have sold. Should have sold. Got too greedy here. I knew this was going to happen. So when you're open options, guys, hit the sell button. Don't get too greedy. Take the gains. If not, probably going to lose everything. So thanks for hosting. Sorry for your loss. Thanks for the update, and good luck to you, dude. Should probably sell off. Cut your losses. Save yourself some money here. Alright, guys. So that's the show for today. So appreciate everyone. We went almost 2 hours here. So I didn't really have too much planned, but a lot of people coming in and chatting. Started really slow, but then a lot of people coming in towards the end of the show and the middle. So great show all around. Hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed. Anything else? Questions, comments, concerns? Put it in the chat right now. Otherwise, we're out of here. And I may have to do some extra content on Redbox right now, because that is selling off. So I'll work on this IMPP video and possibly a Redbox video as well coming up here. Let me check YouTube real quick. What do you think about Shopify call option? Which one? Let's check out Shopify. I know Shopify hasn't been doing really well. It's like hot, but I'm stuffy. It's kind of weird. Alright, Wilson, so it does look like Shopify did bottom out. It's catching some support here. And there's gaps at 440. And 840. So, honestly, I'm not the biggest fan of... You guys know me. I'm not the biggest fan of buying straight up options like this. But if you really must, I would say do a leaps for the 440 strike. At least 6 months out, 440 strike. Don't buy FDs. And maybe you want to do spreads instead. Debit spreads or credit spreads. That'd be a lot safer than buying straight up options. So yeah. Not saying it's a bad play, but if you really must, I'd say buy leaps for the 440 strike or buy spreads. Debit spreads or credit spreads. Well, not buy spreads, but play spreads. So hope that answers the question. All right, peace out, Patrick. Thanks for being here, dude. SPY and QQQ tomorrow, green or red? Well, I guess it depends on how the market reacts to the CPI report. So, just my opinion, not financial advice. I think the CPI is going to be bullish. I'm not saying it's going to be good, but I think it's going to show that inflation is starting to come down, and I think the market's going to take that pretty well. So, we'll see how it goes, but it really depends on everyone's really anticipating the CPI stuff tomorrow. I think it's going to be bullish. So, I'm going to go with green. Hopefully. What do you guys think? Plus, they do 10-1 split on June 27th. All right, that's bullish. Yeah, you did mention that before. So that is bullish. So, yeah, there are gaps to fill. So if you want to play, you can buy shares, if anything. I'd honestly just buy shares and sell covered calls at 440. That'd probably be the best thing to do. That's how I would go about it. But probably not enough action for you. What's the difference on credit spread? Difference between what? Credit spread and debit spread? Not sure what to really mean by that question, but credit spreads is when you sell for a profit. You make more money on the premium than you're buying. And debit spreads is when you spend more money buying than you get on premium, and you're hoping it goes up to the strike. Hoping there's movement on near the strike. Kind of confusing at first. But I think that's what you mean. Credit spread and debit spread, what's the difference? If not, clarify, please. That's what I'm betting on. Yeah, hopefully green. I'm going with green. Open red, then move green. Yeah, hopefully green. I think Monday or Tuesday is the Fed meeting. Yeah, I'm not, is it? I'm not sure. But even if there is a Fed meeting, I'm not expecting too much to come out of that. Every single Fed meeting is the same thing. It's going according to plan, sticking to the plan, not raising interest rates over 50 points, and it's coming every other month. There hasn't been any significant changes, the past few Fed meetings. Everyone thinks it's going to be like, they're going to have some major announcement, but every single time it's just like, plan is working. Nothing changed. So, Wednesday. Okay, next Wednesday. All right, so that's it, guys. Anything else? So hopefully green day tomorrow. Please smash the like button on your way out, guys. Yeah, I got lucky 2x on SPY after you told me. I wait till they up 6 point green, then I buy put, then they go down. Alright, dude. So you bought calls and puts? Is that what you did? So you went full Chad mode. Day trading options there. So glad it worked out for you, dude. Must have made some fat tendies, but high risk, high reward stuff. So glad it worked out. Congrats. And then on either Thursday or Friday, triple witching, index options, and equities and futures all expire on Friday. That's next week, right? I thought it was the end of June. But yeah, that is coming up. Triple witching. So that should be bullish. Yes, hopefully, stuff moves up from here. I mean, it was looking pretty strong, and then in 2 days, all the gains are gone. That's how it's been going. But SPY is starting to look bullish. Got a bull flag going. Yeah, hopefully the CPI stuff is bullish. Hopefully triple witching helps out. So, I think it's looking bullish from here. But today was definitely very nasty. Last 2 days. 6/17. All right, that's next Friday. All right, so yeah, hopefully tomorrow, next week is bullish. Looking really bullish, should be bullish logically. But, in this market, anything can happen. Alright, we're down to 3 viewers, so most people dipped. Alright, so I think that's it, guys. Anything else? No, I really didn't make much, just a couple hundred, no money to even day trade now. I lost so much last 2 years. Yeah, dude. Sorry to hear that. I mean, that is pretty good, though. A couple $100 in a day. To most people, you know, that's a whole salary. That's pretty good. But yeah, I feel you, dude. The last year has been pretty rough. You know, it's gonna get better. Just diamond hands, hold, be smart, covered calls. You know, try not to gamble too much. Chill with the FDs. It's a rough time right now, but it'll be alright, dude. And yeah, man, a couple hundred is actually pretty good for most people. So don't feel too bad. Alright, anything else, guys? Going once. Going twice. Alright, I think that's it. So appreciate everyone. Great show today. See you guys tomorrow. Let's get out of here. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.